Happy Saturday morning to everyone. The VXN daily, the volatility is low. We had a super gap with the volatility and stocks sold down. We've consolidated the daily volatility right here. We have earnings season, expect 100% October price volatility. With the earnings season volatility upon us, you have everything to be worried about. Right now, buy now, pay later program. It's on the website. Read the rules. It will fit you perfectly. So let us not forget during the earnings season, price volatility increases. And we're going to be watching the VXN, that is low volatility, and then the VIX, the VIX, we're watching that. That's related to the S&P 500 on that one, the VIX, which is right here on a daily chart. It's testing the 10-day moving average. If we see price volatility, that would go higher and break the highs during the earnings season volatility, and stocks would sell off. When volatility goes higher, stocks sell down. I've said that to all of you many, many times. That's why Saturday morning, this is the most important right here, the VXN, which is related to the NASDAQ 100 and the triple Qs. Once again, 100% volatility increase, both upside volatility, downside volatility. You're going to need us.